These are different ways of stating the same distinction, which seems much broader than the one we are looking for. It is, in effect, a distinction between matter and life, or rather, since there is only one matter, between two states, two tendencies of atomic matter. For example, there are bonds that immobilize the linked atoms in relation to one another, and other bonds that allow free rotation. Stating the distinction in the most general way, we could say that it is between stratified systems or systems of stratification on the one hand, and consistent, self-consistent aggregates on the other. But the point is that consistency, far from being restricted to complex life forms, fully pertains even to the most elementary atoms and particles. There is a coded system of stratification whenever horizontally there are linear causalities between elements, and vertically hierarchies of order between groupings. And holding it all together in depth, a succession of framing forms, each of which informs a substance and in turn serves as a substance for another form. These causalities, hierarchies, and framings constitute a stratum, as well as the passage from one stratum to another, and the stratified combinations of the molecular and the molar. On the other hand, we may speak of aggregates of consistency when instead of a regulated succession of formed substances, we are presented with consolidations of very heterogeneous elements, orders that have been short-circuited or even reverse causalities, and captures between materials and forces of a different nature, as if a machinic phylum, a destratifying transversality, moved through elements, orders, forms, and substances, the molar and the molecular, freeing a matter and tapping forces.